Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Clickbank doing video product reviews, and you don't even have to do these yourself. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how you can make money doing product reviews and posting them on YouTube, but you don't even have to do the work yourself. So there's a website called loopholemarketers.com. You're going to go there. You see the URL at the end here is LHM-video-service, and they have a service that they'll do product reviews for you. All you need to do is give them your link. So you can see right here they talk about the service, and then there's a sample video right here, and it's only $5 per video. So this is very inexpensive. You can get them done here and then post them on your YouTube channel. Now I would recommend that you don't just do random Clickbank products, but you pick a niche, like maybe health and wellness, other profitable niches besides health or wealth, and also relationships. So I wouldn't have one channel that you have a bunch of different not related topics. So if you go to Clickbank and you go to Marketplace, you can find the most popular products that are being sold right now on Clickbank by not putting anything in the search right here, just clicking on this search here, and you'll see we're sorting results by popularity. So the most popular item right now is Cinderella Solution, and the average sale is $36.42. So you can see that that's selling very, very well. You want to pick a product that there's a good sales page, is not something that's real hypey and unbelievable. And then you also want to make sure they do have a good affiliate page and have different resources that you can use to market. So this one looks like it's very good. And then of course you would just go here. I would recommend you would get a lead capture page, but you could just go here, click on generate hop links, and then this would be the URL that you would give them over here. So after you order it. Also, I wanted to mention that yesterday I did a review on something called Video Cretox, and inside of this course, which you can get for like $1 for 7 days, they talk about gadget marketing. So it wouldn't necessarily have to be Clickbank, but in this second one, niche marketing on crack, he talks about Clickbank marketing and how you can make money doing product reviews on Clickbank products. But again, I wouldn't recommend that you do just any random Clickbank product. You want to make sure that it's a really good product that's going to convert. So you can see these top ones here. This is a weight loss one. The average sale is $68. Here's one on diabetes. That's $31. So a lot of the top ones, Fat Belly Fix, of course, has been top for quite some time. $43 sales. Organifi. So a lot of these top Clickbank products are in the health and fitness area. So I just wanted to mention this to you because a lot of people don't want to do their own videos. But if you go here, I'm not sure the turnaround time, but after you get your video, you're just basically going to upload it to YouTube right here, upload video, and then you'll put your keywords in your title, your tags, and your description of your video. But I've made a lot of money doing Clickbank product reviews on YouTube, and it absolutely works. So just wanted to mention this to you as another way that you can make money on Clickbank doing product reviews on YouTube. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And I do have my contact information down below the video as well if you need to contact me for any reason. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. And again, I'm going to leave a link to this product review that is a very good product on learning how to do YouTube marketing. So with that being said, this is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.